The other day, I was doing a little bit of research looking for a YouTube niche that would generate you thousands upon thousands of dollars in passive income that is also very easy to do with just AI. I wanted to find a niche that was so easy to get into where you literally just generate the videos with AI for a long enough time until you eventually just hire someone to run the channels completely for you. But it wasn't until I stumbled across this massive channel that's getting views upon views from videos that are so easy to AI generate. Now, I'm going to show you guys this channel in just a second, but truthfully there's no lazier niche than this one. And in this video, not only am I going to show you step by step how to make all of these exact videos with AI, including a whole entire month worth of YouTube shorts with just a couple of minutes of AI generation, but I'm also going to show you guys a much easier future method where you simply press a button and an entire video will be generated for you through just one AI software. So not only am I showing you guys an up-to-date tutorial on how to make these videos exactly with AI, but I'm also showing you guys future methods that will get you these videos done in literally seconds. Now the channel is called Stoic Evolution and it's in the philosophy niche. Now there's many philosophy channels on YouTube, but why this one is so interesting is because it makes AI generated content, and they only started a little bit over a year ago, and now they're getting 700,000 views every single month. And if you use the TubeMagic Niche Explorer tool, you'll find out that these types of videos are getting $7 every 1,000 views, which means that this channel would be making $5,000 every single month by posting this simple AI generated content. These are videos that they can easily outsource in order to start making money passively. And these are types of videos that you can start making right now, all thanks to AI. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you guys exactly how to get started making these philosophy videos. Let's begin. Now first, what you're going to want to do is use a software called VidAI. This will be linked in the description below, but right here, I'm going to open this up, press on new project, and press on Faceless Short. Now I can put in my script, put in my prompt, but popular topics right here, I'm going to select on philosophy so that I can add in custom keywords, like if I want to make it talking about, stoicism. But I'm going to leave that right there. Then I'm going to select on a voice right here.
Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do.
One today is worth two tomorrows.
I like Anthony, so I'm going to go down, and right here I can either select a gameplay video right here or an AI generated image. I'm going to choose on cinematic right here. I could also do something like pixel art if I want to make it, super interesting. And I'm going to press on generate content right here. And now VidAI is going to generate me my pictures for my video. So right here it's generating. This is just going to take a couple of seconds. There we go. It's finished. And now I can just go through and regenerate anything that I don't like or change up the script. And I'm going to press on next, choose some music. Usually I like to choose maybe something like Blade Runner. That's a good one right there. And then you can go ahead and select on all of these settings, but I'm just going to hit on generate. And now it's making me my entire short, and this is exactly how that's going to look.
Ever wondered what it means to truly exist? Life unfolds in a tapestry of connections and choices.
Now, VidAI is currently only a month old, but soon enough, they're making a long-form video generator. So the same way we just made a short, we'll be able to make entire long-form videos in the philosophy niche with literally doing the same thing I just showed you guys. And you can get VidAI in the link in the description below. And the thing is, if you get it right now, you get a grandfather discount for life at $30 less. Yes, that means you are saving $30 every single month off your VidAI description by buying it right now with the link below. However, you guys want to discover how to make these videos right now. So using a tool called TubeMagic, which is an AI tool that helps you with all your optimization on YouTube and making videos 10 times faster, right here I'm going to select on the micro tool section and select on the channel name generator. Now right here I'm going to type in my channel is about philosophy right here, and I'm going to press on generate. And now it's going to give me 3 types of names that I can use for my channel: Mind Maze Mysteries, Wisdom Quest Adventures, Philosphere Insights. And I can just keep on hitting generate again and again until I get good ones. Mind Quest. It even shows me 40K subscribers and 36 videos, and I can even upload a profile picture so I can see how it looks like. But right here, I really like this one. Thought Jungle. So I'm going to copy that right there, and now I have the name for my channel. But TubeMagic has even more features, like the video ideas tool right here, where I simply go in and type in the handle of a channel. So example from earlier, Stoic Evolution. So Stoic Evolution, when I'm putting in their channel handle, gonna hit on generate, and now it's going to generate me unlimited, unique, viral-worthy video ideas based off this channel. The Stoic way to handle modern day madness. And I can generate again, so that's a very good video with also with a smile. That's good. The art of stoic decision making, mastering choices in a chaotic world. That's another good video. I can just keep on hitting generate again and again and make me an entire month worth of video ideas in a couple of minutes, versus the alternative where I sit here and just try to come up with a bunch of video ideas, and it could take me a day or two to come up with 30 good ideas. But right here, I can just keep on hitting generate again and again based off a already winning channel. Mastering the art of stoic comedy. That's a good video. How stoic warriors master the art of patience. These are really good video ideas, and you can simply use the video ideas tool to generate them. So once I've picked a video idea, I'm gonna scroll down to the warp upload optimizer right here, and I could put in a URL of my video if it's already uploaded, but right here I'm going to put in context. So I'm just gonna paste in my video idea, and I'm gonna press on generate. And now what TubeMagic is doing is it's studying videos with millions upon millions of views, and in just seconds, it's generating me 3 viral-worthy titles right here, an amazing description with amazing keywords hidden within the description, and my good tags right here that are going to do really well on YouTube and are going to give my video increased metadata. And I can just simply copy these for when my video is going to get published and just put these in. Look at these titles right here. Laughing Through Chaos, The Stoic Guide to Humor. That's a good title right there. Stoic Comedy Unveiled, Embrace the Chaos and Laugh. Finding Humor in Life's Storms, Master Stoicism. These are all amazing titles that TubeMagic has generated me. They have good keywords in them, as well as the description right here. It's perfect. Now once you've done that, we can go to the scripting section of TubeMagic. Now there's a video scripts tool. Video is a new script in case you want to model someone else's video and make yourself a new script, or article to script tool in case you want to take someone's article and make it into your YouTube script. But right here, I'm just going to make a script from scratch, paste in my idea right here, and I can select general script, short, how-to script, outline, or list video. In this case, we're just going to select general script, and then I can select a word count. And if you go hover over right here, you can see that 1.5k words is 10 minutes, but I'm going to keep it at like 700 or 600 just for the video, so I can explain to you guys, how this works and make it very, very simple. So right here, I'm going to press on generate, and in just seconds, your script will start to be written on TubeMagic. Here we go, just 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Here's our script being written right there and right in front of us. So we have our introduction right here, understanding stoicism, and then the rest of the video is all right here. And once that's done, I can just simply press on copy script, and that's all I have to do so far on TubeMagic. You guys can try out TubeMagic for an entire week for only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below. It's the best YouTube AI optimizer on the entire internet, and it helps me speed up my videos so much, and I've heard so many big YouTubers that say TubeMagic is essential for their video making process, and you can get it with the link in the description below. But let's continue with how we're gonna make this philosophy video. Next, we're gonna use a software called 11 Labs. Now, 11 Labs is specifically known for hyper-realistic text-to-speech. Now right here, I'm going to simply paste in my entire script, but start removing stuff like this, the conclusion part, the practical applications of humor, just going through and removing this filler right here. Now right here, I'm going to specifically look for some voices, and I want to find one that sounds strong and wise, because this is a philosophy video after all.
The rain falls gently.
Just trust yourself.
The world is round, and the place, which may seem like the end.
I like Daniel. It almost sounds like an older, British gentleman who sounds very, very wise. So we're going to use Daniel, then press on generate speech, just like that.
In today's fast-paced world, chaos often feels like the norm. But what if we told you that humor could be your secret weapon?
See, that literally sounds like I just paid somebody to do a voiceover for me. But it's all AI. I'm literally just using 11 Labs for my voiceover. But now that we've done that, we're going to switch over to CapCut for our video editing. But before I show you guys that, you guys can actually join our completely free live training where you can discover the secrets to potentially 10x the growth on your YouTube channel. It's a completely free live training. The only thing is there's a limited amount of people who can actually attend, but you can secure your spot right now by pressing on the link in the description below and joining us for the free live training. We'll have a live chat, we'll have everything. And to anyone who actually wants to take YouTube seriously and potentially make this your career, I'll see you guys there at the free training. So right now I'm on CapCut, and right here I'm gonna import my audio that I made in 11 Labs. So I have it right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag this over here and put it on my timeline. But now we need the visuals for our video, but this is where we're going to use Midjourney. Now Midjourney is a bot on Discord specifically, and it's the best image generator on the internet in my opinion, and you can specifically do it only through Discord. So you can just join the Midjourney server and you'll get access to the bot. But right here, what I'm gonna do is simply type in /imagine, and let's start with the profile picture for our channel. I'm gonna say a YouTube profile picture for a serious philosophy channel. Just like that, and I'm gonna hit on enter. And here we go, Midjourney has made me 4 options right here. I really like this last one right here, but if you guys wanna be a little bit more specific, if you guys want it to be a statue or something else for your profile picture, just tell Midjourney. But right here, I'm gonna upscale 4 for upscale that 4th image, and now for my profile picture right here, that's all made with AI. But now we're actually going to make the visuals for our video through Midjourney. So right here on my script, I'm gonna look at the very first line. In today's fast-paced world, chaos often feels like the norm. But what if we told you that humor could be your secret weapon? So that's 2 scenes right there that I can make right now in Midjourney. So right here, Midjourney, I'm gonna type in /imagine, and I'm gonna type a chaotic modern city with tons of people running around, photorealistic. Then what I'm gonna do is type _AR for aspect ratio and then 16:9 because this is specifically the size of YouTube videos. I'm gonna press on enter right here. I'm gonna do the same thing with the next image right here. I'm gonna type in /imagine, ancient philosophy laughter, just like that, AR 16:9, hit on enter, and as you can see, it's even made our other images right here. Like for example, this one looks really good. I really like that one as well. Maybe this one. All these actually look super good. I think I'm gonna do maybe the second one right here, upscale 2 for that. So now I have that scene ready, and now it's gonna make me this one as well in just a couple of seconds. There we go, Midjourney made me these photos now, and I really like this one right here, so I'm gonna upscale 2 for that one right there, and boom, I have another image just like that. I can simply press on this and press right click and press on save image, and I'm just gonna keep doing this throughout my entire script. Like next on the script is welcome to Laughing Through Chaos, the stoic guide to humor. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this part, laughing through chaos right here. Then I'm gonna do /imagine, I'm gonna type ancient historical philosophy with text, and I'm gonna type in laughing through chaos just like that. Then I'm gonna do _AR 69 once again and enter that in. Now it's actually gonna put the laughing through chaos words in the actual photo. And here's our photos right here. As you can see, it says laughing through chaos right here. Sometimes it's a little messed up, but you can just simply press on this regenerate icon right here so it can make you a new set of images in case any of them mess up. It's pretty simple stuff. Like here we go, this is much better. And I also like this one as well, so I'm actually gonna upscale 1 and then upscale 3. I'm gonna use both of these images right here for my video. Now I highly recommend you guys take your photos you generated on Midjourney and put them through Luma Labs, which is a software that turns images to videos simply just by putting them in and adding some type of prompt. So right here, I'm gonna press on this, insert my photo, and I'm just gonna type laughing statue head. I can also just put in nothing and it'll automatically do it for me, but I'm just gonna put the prompt right there, press on this arrow, and I'm just gonna go through and do this with as many photos as I can for my video so that they're animated and increases audience retention, it keeps people engaged, and makes the video that much more interesting. So here's my photo now that's animated. As you can see, it's kind of like changing up the camera angle. If I want to regenerate this, I can. If I can extend this or anything else I want to do, but I really like that one right there. I think that subtle movement actually adds so much to the clip instead of it just being a static image. But now we're gonna take these videos and we're gonna go back to CapCut. Now right here, I have my videos on CapCut that I can just simply grab them all and drag them right in. And the first thing I'm gonna wanna do is make sure that these are lined up correctly with my video. So I went through and lined all these videos so they make sense for my intro right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press on audio right here and to look for music specifically for my video. So for example, I'm gonna type in something like classical music. Let's try some classical music. I like that one, so I'm gonna press on this plus icon right there to add it to my track, and I'm gonna line this up with my video. So I'm gonna get rid of that intro right there, and let's listen to that right now.
In today's fast-paced
Obviously, it's a little too loud, so I'm going to decrease the sound of that right there. Let's do that to maybe 12, and I'm going to take my audio and increase that a little bit louder of my voiceover.
In today's fast-paced world, chaos often feels like the norm.
That's much better. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to captions right here, and I'm going to select on this voiceover right here and press on generate, because I'm going to make my video have captions at the very bottom, because that increases audience retention, keeps people watching, and makes them understand what's being taught in the video a lot better when it's literally spelled out for them in the captions. So right here you can see it's already generated me 80%, and there we go. It should pop up right here. So now I have captions for my video, but I'm going to go over to here on templates and select the one that's a lot better than this one. I really like this one right here, so I pressed on it, but I'm gonna change this color from orange to maybe something like red.
In today's fast-paced world, chaos often feels like the norm.
Perfect, and now I can just put in some special effects in my video, like pressing on transitions right here. I can choose something like pull in right here and start throwing that between my clips just like that. And this is how that's gonna look like.
But what if we told you that humor could be your secret weapon? Welcome to...
See how much better that looks when you have that in there? I'm just gonna keep throwing that in there like this. Another thing I could add to my video is some effects right here. One specifically I like using is vignette. So by just adding some vignette, it adds a dark shadow to my corners of my video, and I think it makes it stand out just a little bit more like that. And you can go through and just add other effects you find on CapCut. CapCut's probably the best video editor. I used to use other ones, but this one honestly is literally the best. Now once your video is done, you're gonna go up to here on export, press on that, and then you're just gonna simply select all the recommended things right here, maybe name your file, and then press on export, and it's going to render your video. And here is how the final video is going to look like.
But what if we told you that humor could be your secret weapon? Welcome to Laughing Through Chaos.
Now with the link in the description below, VidAI will eventually have where you can just simply type in a prompt and it'll generate you an entire long form video instead of you doing this entire tutorial. But if you guys want to see a video on how to do police body cam videos right here, where it takes more effort but there's a much bigger reward in the end for how much money you can make from this niche, then check out this video right here. The secrets in this video are only taught within this channel, and you might never discover these secrets again if you don't watch this video right now.